Come along for a ride with me. I wanna make you my bride to be. From the moment I saw you rolling by the bed, I said I gotta get her by my side, she not too bad. But the fact of the matter was I fell for you. From the beginning you turned me into a fool. So I can't be without you and I want you, boo. So just jump in my ride and I'll be true. Through the toughest of times, you stood by my side. Footsteps in the sand, there was another set in stride with mine. I was too much of a sinner to see. I'm glad you never left me by myself in the sea of hate. No debate, the world's full of disgrace and face. Hope you keep me pure with your grace, no doubt. Don't forget to put my hands together. I ask you grant me love and protect me forever. Late at night when I'm alone, I have you on my mind. I gotta say that you have got me in a love that's so divine. I call you up and try to get a hold of you, but you're always on the go when I can't get you out of my mind. In time, you'll be all mine. So let's take a trip far away from time. Never wanted to fall this way, it wasn't what I planned. But what's a man to do? You got my heart in a box of glass.
Baby girl, you know my situations, but you don't put on no show to get ovation. So be patient, that ring is coming. If love is a melody, I'm singing something. She my Wonder Woman, but there's no wondering if she really loves me, cause she keeps coming in. Even if the clouds thundering, she's still there, cause she knows sunshine will appear. Wake up to make up, we at it again. We gon' lose without each other, so it's best that we win. No need to pretend, we can't just be friends. Too much history, and now I'll love you to the end. Too much misery, I'm not accustomed to it. We could've worked it out, but you ain't do enough to do it. So why you put me through it? I guess I should've knew it, you blew it. And I guess we both outgrew it. I'm gone, Monday through Sunday, every day's the same. Without you it's pain, every day it rains. What a shame, put it simple and plain. I'm nothing without you, I just ain't the same. They say things change for all good reasons, but what's the reason for you to be leaving? I'm grieving, needing you back. Come on, boo, don't do me like that, cut me some slack.
Thank you.